Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo ako mag-energy cleanse ng condo. I'm Ana and kakalipat ko nga lang pala ng condo. Before moving in, nagdala ko ng salt to ward off bad spirits, sugar for joyful life, rice for prosperity, and water for good flow of life. Naglagay din ako ng salt in every corner of my condo because it absorbs negative energy. Make sure na magbukas din kayo ng bintana and mag-play ng frequency music. Ito nga pala yung mga ginamit ko. Naglagay ako ng incense, sage, and yung santo palo. And sinindihan ko na sila. Itong tatlong to, makakatulong to ward off bad spirits and to cleanse the energy of your space. Then I walk in every corner of my condo and offer my manifestation and prayers. And I ended it with meditation and my personal prayers. I feel much lighter energy in my condo after doing all these rituals.